Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Boulevard of Broken Dreams on guitar. We will start by mastering the 4 essential open chords: E minor, G, D, and A. These are foundational for the song's verses and intro. Focus on pressing down firmly with your fingertips to ensure each note rings out clearly. Take your time to practice switching between these chords until the movements feel natural and fluid. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is crucial for the song's distinctive rhythm. A common and effective pattern is down, down, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently to maintain a steady, moderate tempo. Remember to add a little extra emphasis or accent on your downstrokes to give it that powerful, rock anthem feel. Practice this pattern with each chord. Now let's look at the song's structure. Boulevard of Broken Dreams has a straightforward layout, typically moving through an intro, verses, and choruses. The intro and verses mainly use the E minor, G, D, and a chord progression. When you reach the chorus, the chords shift to C, G, D, and E minor, providing a noticeable and impactful change in the song's feel. Pay attention to these changes as you play. To truly master this song, consistent practice is key. Begin by playing very slowly, ensuring each chord and strum is accurate before attempting to speed up. Repetitively practice switching between the chord progressions to develop strong muscle memory. Once you feel comfortable, try playing along with the original recording to fine-tune your timing and capture the song's authentic feel. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.